welcome back or welcome to my channel. If you're new here, make sure to like, comment and subscribe, and if you're returning, welcome back. So it's the first week of fall, or it's the second week by the time you're watching this, and I'm so grateful we have entered fall. It's fall season. That means Christmas is upon us, you guys. I can't wait for Christmas, but let's pass through fall first. But yes, in today's video we're doing something very exciting, and that is decorating for fall. So I've been waiting for this time. I've been waiting so long. I have been feeling so sick, so under the weather, and I didn't have any motivation, but I thought, why not decorate my room and feel much more, you know, energetic, feel not so sick. But I'm getting over a cold, not corona, guys, okay? I'm getting over a cold, and yeah, to make me feel more energetic, make me lighten up my mood, I'm going to decorate my room for fall. So I did buy some stuff. I didn't get to buy everything I wanted. I did want to buy some pumpkins, but I couldn't find pumpkins, so I made my pumpkins myself. For example, this. Isn't it so cute, you guys? I made my pumpkin myself, and it's also a white one, and there's also a orange one. This one's kind of weird, but okay. I did shop some things, some throw pillow covers, and I got this soft blanket, this soft velvet blanket, so cute. What did I get? Oh, you guys, this is my first time after a long time buying the 3-wick candle. This is their fall edition. Focus. And it smells so good. Smells so good. What else did I got? I got this glass jar for decoration. Isn't it so cute, you guys? So cute. Oh, and I did get a, what's this called? Yes, this leaf garden. What? How do you call this thing? Yeah, I forgot, but I also got this leaf thingy. That's all I got to decorate my room. So let's see how we're gonna decorate it.